What is up, everybody? Thank you for being here. Today we're gonna go over how to make a Eminem type beat. So let's get it. So first off, for this track, I wanted to start with the drums. Just doing something simple. Kind of got a little bit of a swing to it, a little bit of a, give it some energy. Throwing the snare right there with it. Again, keep it simple. You don't want anything too complex. Simple. Simplicity is key with this. And then once you get the snare, you're going to want to throw in some hi-hats with it. And then essentially your drums are finished. So then let's start working on the melody. I wanted a bold melody. And most of my instrumentals, I like that. I like to have a very strong, powerful instrumental. Basically, what I go for is you want the instrumental to complement your vocals, what you're rapping or singing about. Sub melody, or a counter melody, I should say, I went ahead and put in a harp. I think harps sound amazing as well. And I like to add also a little bit of what I call the sauce. And then pads. After a little bell, I added some pads in here. Just to, kind of carry the sound a little bit more. Kind of helps out. Threw a guitar in here. I thought it just sounded good. You can never forget the 808s. You need the 808s or some kind of bass when you're going for like a hard West Coast or Eminem type beat. Always make sure you have the bass or 808. Those are all the components, and then let's take a look at the finished product, see what we made. Download it for free for nonprofit use, or if you would like to stream it on platforms such as Apple Music or Spotify, you're going to need a license, and I'll leave a link below that you can go on BeatStars. You can buy a license or download it for free, whichever. I understand, I've been there too. So yeah, I got one more thing before I go. I got an EP dropping on July 5th. It's called Psalms. It's a 5-record track, or 5-record EP. I think a lot of people enjoy it, or at least make them think deeper while listening to it, at least. Yeah. So thank you for listening.